Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Gusty's Plants. If you're new here, why don't you subscribe, leave a comment, rate, and just watch the rest of my videos. Anyways, so in today's video, I have an unboxing, and you might be wondering, why is he doing an unboxing when he said he wasn't gonna buy no more plants ever again? Well, this plant is actually, well, it's mine, obviously I bought it, but it's also my mom's plant. It's a plant that we both wanted, and it's not an excuse as to why I bought the plant. I bought the plant because I wanted the plant. The price tag is also not expensive like a Hoya. This is not a Hoya, by the way, so if you guys are interested in a Hoya video, this is not it. However, if you're interested in seeing what I got in this box, keep on watching. Alright, so this is a plant that I received, or that I purchased from Leaf&Clay. Anyway, I purchased from Leaf&Clay years ago when I used to collect succulents, cactus, and I also used them for some gifts that I gave to my nieces. And so Leaf&Clay is a really reputable source if you're looking for rare succulents that you don't find in Lowe's or Home Depot or your corner nurseries. These are succulents that are a little bit more hard to find. They do have the, they do have like the basic ones, but they also have really rare ones. And this is a rare succulent, or cactus, you might call it. This is Edithcolea Grandis, that's the name of this, or others call it the Persian Carpet. Now, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Now, there are two of the same plants inside here. But if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so I purchased two plants from Leaf&Clay, two of the same plants, just to get a larger size plant. And the box is so little, so it makes me wonder if the cuttings, or well, not cuttings, if the plants are gonna be really small. The pictures that I saw on the website had like a very nice average size for the price of it. Each one was $15. I paid $30 for two of them. So yeah, there's gonna be two, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with the first one. So yeah, they're gonna be very tiny, like, see, they're very little, but these plants, or this succulent, is very hard to come by. I've seen a number of YouTube videos, and fun fact about this plant, yeah, it's gonna be very tiny. You guys are gonna see it before I do. Oh shit, oh my god, that hurt. Alright, so here's the first one, Edithcolea. I'll do close-ups as well so you guys can see what I'm looking at, but this looks amazing. So honestly, yeah, this looks amazing. It's very thorny. Right when I was unboxing it, it really hurt my finger. It has very small little thorns, but looking at it, it's not like a green cactus, it's more like a gray, ashy green color, and it has like purple hues in it, and the little thorns that it has are very sharp. Wow, I like the look of this plant, and I know that it's a fast grower. Fun fact about this plant is that it's from Africa. It's from Ethiopia and neighboring states in Africa, and people used to cook with this, or people use this plant or this succulent to cook with, kind of like okra. So that's very hard. Anyways, but it's very, like, it hurts to touch it, so you guys gotta grab it from the roots, which it has a very nice root system. So this is the first one. Very happy with it. Now they're both the same plants, and I just want to see how it will look, how the other one is compared to this one. Okay, so here is the second one. Let's go ahead and, this one I'm gonna be a little bit more careful because I don't want to hurt my fingers like I did the first one. So take a look myself first, and then I'll show you guys. It looks like the other one. It's actually the same. I'll make sure to grab it here from the bottom. I'll do close-up so you can look at this one. Yeah, so this one looks very nice too. It has a very nice roots, same color, green, like an ashy gray green. The thorns are very prickly and sharp. But anyways, enough about the plant. You guys saw how it looks. Now, why was this plant on me and my mom's wish list? You probably guys saw the thumbnail, but this plant grows huge, amazing flowers that smell like rotten meat, like a dead rat. If you have cats, if you have, if you live in New York, you live in Los Angeles, and you're next to rats, and you know there's always the usual dead animal, dead rat on the street. That's how it smells. It smells horrible. However, the plant is magnificent. This one, for example, this Persian red carpet, or whatever color you want to name it, because they're not all red. Yeah, the plant resembles a carpet. They're huge. They're small and huge depending on the size of the plant, but they grow amazing flowers and they're great. I have one already. I have a succulent, Stapelia Grandiflora, I believe, or Grandis. It grows a huge starfish, and when it's in bloom and you smell it, it smells like a dead rat, like a dead, carcass. So this is part of the same family, in the sense that it grows very nice starfish looking flowers, but this one has a carpet pattern encrusted inside the plant, and it's amazing. So yeah, I heard that this plant likes to stay dry, but it also likes to stay on the shaded side, not so much on the sunny side. I'm not sure how true that is, because it's the first time I'm going to be caring for this plant, but definitely I'm going to repot it, and I'm going to put it in under my tree where I have a lot of orchids and begonias. They get double sun, a little bit of shade, and a little bit of sun all in one day. They get like all the best of the three worlds. And so I'm gonna keep it in there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I know that this plant, reading from other YouTube comments and articles on Google, that it likes to stay on the dry side during the winter, and then during the summer, it's, even though it's a succulent or like a cactus, it does like to get a drink of water more often than the other succulents. So definitely keep an eye for that. Remember that they use this plant to cook with in Ethiopia, and that's very interesting. And yeah, so this was a quick unboxing video that I wanted to make for you guys. If you guys are interested in more succulents, or if you guys want to see a collection of succulents that I have, make sure to leave a comment down below. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to drink water your plants, and until I see you guys next time, kapun arigato. Gozaimasu.